Hello guys, today I'll show you how to install YouTube app on your PC. Firstly, ensure that Google Chrome is installed on your computer. Open Google Chrome and or Start menu, then in the address bar, just type youtube.com. Press enter and navigate to the official YouTube website. Click on the install button in the top right corner of the Chrome browser. This icon looks like a computer screen with a down arrow. Now, a pop-up window will appear asking if you want to install YouTube as an app. Just click Install to proceed. Once installed, YouTube will be added to your desktop, Start menu, and optionally the taskbar. You can now open YouTube like a regular app instead of using the web browser. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to do online banking in DPB. Firstly, visit the DBP EC Banking Facility website or go to the nearest DPP branch. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one, and during the registration, provide your active mobile number. This number will be used for transactions and security authentication. Once your registration is complete, you will receive mobile personal identification number and account key. Make sure to store these details safely. Now use your MP PIN and account key to log in to the mobile banking platform and enjoy easy and secure transaction anytime, anywhere. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.